What's up, YouTube? I'm in the garage. Finna start up the Nova. Do a startup with a cold start in the cold. That's what I'm gonna do. Do a cold start in the cold. Let's do it. Oh yeah. See if we can do a cold start in the cold, y'all. Got my light on my GoPro, man. How that look, y'all? Light on the GoPro. Alright. See what we can do. Oh. It's icy out here, y'all. Oh, man. Alright, y'all. I'm finna do a cold start in the freaking cold. The midwinter. Y'all see the snow on the ground. Iced up. Look at that. Iced up. Let's see. Alright. Am I freezing? Alright. Let's try it. Try to start. Oh shit, that scared the shit out of me, y'all. Alright, y'all, let's try to start this thing up. Let's set the alarm off twice. Can y'all see that real good? Let me see. I guess y'all can see it. Let's try it. You got that working real good. All right. We got action, y'all. Oh. coming soon. LS swap coming soon, man. That's why. But I just decided to start it up just to show y'all, man. I still got it. Yep. Swapping it out. Got the hoist and all of that shit. Motor at machine shop. Just waiting for me to pick it up. Waiting on screws. This coming out. LS going in. Let's get up underneath here. Yeah, I was thinking about doing a giveaway with this motor for subscribers. Y'all let me know if I should give away this motor for some subscribers. I don't know the details yet, but let me know. All right, I'm finna close the hood on this thing. It's over with. Yeah. Smoky in here. Still got that that cam too, man. It ain't going nowhere. Still got it. Waiting to put it in. Yeah, and the oil pan and all those parts and stuff. All my main caps and stuff is over here. Tools down there. See all of that stuff. My main caps and all that. It's the old cam. All them parts and stuff for the motor. Just waiting on the motor, man. You know how that is, man. When it's a small channel, man. I'm doing all this on my own. Yep. Doing pretty good to, have a small following. Yep. Yeah, she's still there. All right, y'all. Gonna get in here. Get in this house, man. Everybody gone. I need to clean my damn car. Got my damn wallet. Man, moving too fast. Anything else I left? Oh, my headphones. Need those. Charge them up. Alright, y'all. Get in this house. Alright, y'all. Appreciate y'all watching. If y'all here for the first time, like, share, subscribe. I'm out.